Assalamu alaikum guys, how is everyone? How was your Eid? And I'm back. I am Walid Naeem from Volvi, back with another video. Welcome to my channel Technocraft. I was working on a web page, basic web page for my website using React. I am learning through and creating my own website using React. I hope this will be helpful for you. We were going through few errors in the previous videos, as you can see them again, and so I decided to reinstall the Next.js version 13 to cover up the vulnerabilities and bugs which we were facing in the previous videos. I reinstalled the version and did few steps ahead. I will show you how can we visit the first post. The post 1 and post 2 using different methods. This is post 2 and this is home page link. We can go to the post 1 and home page again, the dashboard I have created, and home again, the first post, and then the home page again. Let me show you the code. In the home page, the file index.typescript XML version. In the pages folder, in the root folder, root path, I created the title in the head. This is the built-in tag in the Next.js. Then I added the heading, and then instead of anchor tag I used the link. Okay, and then again for the first post, the URL is used as in the pages. I added a folder posts, then the ID and the first.tsx. What first.tsx does is it shows the title, the heading, and the link to the home page. The post 1 is the dynamic link which is generated in here. The ID page and the first this page is generated when we click this link. Okay, why this link works as it is, because it works, it returns these two functions and this data to the to this page. In this page, this is the posts dot TypeScript XML version in the library. This page is included in here from this. We import these two functions from this page, which is the data and the function that returns the id as 1 and id as 2, and this page catches those parameters as post data, which is used which gets the information from the object post data as its values or attributes, id, title and date. As you can see, this information is provided in the constants post 1, post 2 as array. What next we are going to do is, I am going to create a header for my page and call it in the home page, and we are going to follow the design here. That I have saved in my backup folder. And the screenshot is here. Let's maximize the page, open it up in the paint, and we can see the Google Ads. We will add the Google Ads in the header soon after the web page is complete. As you can see, it was built in the WordPress. We will have to add the logo, then the menu, and then the info box, and then the cart value. Okay, let's start with the menu and the logo. We need to create the header, and in the pages we need to create the components. We need components, container components for the pages. So we will create the components, folder, and then we will create the header for the front end. Header file .tsx, in which we will create the RCE, which is the React component for the front end. So we will create, we have created the React, where we are facing the double cursor. So okay, we will remove the export from the class we will export it at the end of the script. In this div, this is the main we will keep the this tag, div tag, because we will use the only one main tag in the main file. Now let's go back to the header. In the header we will export the logo, which is image tag href attribute, which will get the image logo dot png. I think this is the name. I think this is the name. Yes, volv dot png. v.png, and we will use the height, and we will give it the 30 pixels, and width will be around 25 pixels. We will end the tag. Let's see what is the result. We have not imported the header in the main page yet, so we will have to import the header in the main page. Header from the components header. Now we will use the header here after the head. Let's see the output. Cannot see the changes because the terminal compiled it successfully, but still we cannot see the changes. It is because we missed something. Is this the header tsx? Let's see if we can use the style sheet. Styles from styles dot css. This is not the path. Okay, we will go to the components, then to the we will go back to the another level. and we need to add these styles dot we need to add the styles dot css, which is in the styles dot css. I think the error should go away now. Or I can place a single dot to remove the error line. Okay, control plus control plus control minus checking for quick fixes, control plus dot. Okay, I was mistaking with the keys. Styles is declared but the value is never read. Okay, remove the import styles from styles dot css. Okay, control dot. Okay, we need to remove the import from this is fixed. Okay, we don't have the error anymore. Let's refresh the page and we will go back to the header. We need this to be replaced. The header. I think we need to put this in the paths. Okay, let's do it again. RFCE, whatever. Let's do it again. Image href href is equal to, in the href is volv.png, and height HEIGHC with 30 and width is equal to with 25, and we will import the image from React/image, and let's see what happens. Image this is link and head image, next image. It's the next image, and image from. Let's import it again. Image from next image, and import undo import the link from next link, and let's import the head from next head. Yes, this have fixed it up to something. Header from header, and this I will have to link head image, and I will have to use the container, the head, the image height, alt and height, width, alt, height, width and alt. We need to add the alt, this here I will add the loop. Okay. What about the href? Href is the image. It's not the image, it's the source. Come on, what kind of mistake is this? Okay, let's refresh the page. No. Okay. This is the header. Let's give it div. We don't have the error here, and we don't have the file in this page. Have we included it right? Components, the header from. What if we use it like capital H from the capital H, the header components, the header. Yes, we don't have the small h now. Okay, we will have to press control dot and remove the import from the grid, unused imports. This file is in the posts pages, and we don't need this. container components. Why are we creating this? We need to go to the pages and then to the components. Let's move the folder to the same style sheet. Let's add it to the same folder from where we are importing the container. So we are moving the file to the back to the same file. It's like moving into the we will remove the extra component folder. Let's import it again. Import header from header components. Yes, this is fine. Now it's included in the file. Yes, we missed to add this header. Okay. Let's see if we can add the, yes, we have added the logo. Wow. So successfully and at last. Now we will add the container to the file, which is like heading CSS to the file. And we will have to add the blog container. Let's see what changes have we got. Yes, we have successfully created our header. How can we keep the logo on the left within the div? Class name, which we are going to create in a while. We will create the class with the name logo, site logo, site with the camel case naming convention. Camel case naming convention. And now we will create a class site logo within the container.module.css. Image logo, yes, image logo, control C. This will be the class name, image logo. Okay, and this image logo will be float left, width will be like let's say it's 60 pixels, and height will be around 45 pixels. Oh, it will squeeze it. 60 pixels height and 45 pixels width. Let's see the changes. Refreshing the page. Okay, I think this is getting the inline settings from this one. Okay, we have removed it. It's missing required. I hate it. Width. Okay, and we have okay, we are using the width height here from 4560 from CSS to the inline 4560. Width is 45 and height is 60. Okay, this is fixed and we are good with the logo. Now we will add the link href, and href is simple slash control X and control V. Let's see what's wrong. Okay, we are good with the link. Now we are going to add the image logo. We will see if it is working or not. Let's say align text, align right. Not working. Okay, and so we don't need the image logo here, and we need the class name image logo and the image logo width. Image logo is the container, is the div. Image logo is the div. So okay, content align center, and we need the width as like 20%. Okay, and we need a header container, header container we will fix the max height. We need to fix the max height with like about, let's say, 120 pixels, and width will go as like auto, maybe 100% fix is better. Just let me know in the comments. 100%, we should we go with the 100% or auto in the width? Okay, we are facing the margins here. Most of the websites don't have the margin, so let's say the padding always. Should we remove the padding, or we should go with the 0? And what if we remove the border? This will look better. Yes, it's looking better. Okay, let's say we give the paddings or the margin from the left and the right as 10, 0 from the top and left, top and bottom, and 10 from the right left. Let's see what changes do we have. Okay, we don't have any changes yet. What about having or using pixels? Instead of using rams. Do you know what is the difference between the RAM and pixels? Okay, we are having 10 pixels on the right left. Let's see, this is better now. Yes, this looks better. And let's have 10 pixels from the top, 50 from the right, 0 pixels from the bottom, or maybe auto, and then 50 pixels from the left. Okay, we have the reasonable distance from the right and left. Let's say come on. Okay, we have the perfect fix. Let's see if it is responsive or not. Yes, it is responsive and good to go. Okay, now let's go back to the menu side home, services, about us, testimonials, and contacts. Okay, let's see how can we create the menus for one page only. We will do this